how to enable or disable cookies on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to enable or disable cookies on your iPhone. You need to head over to settings, then go to the search bar at the bottom, and then you'll need to search for Safari. Just open it up, and once you're in Safari, scroll down, and then you'll need to head over to advanced. There you'll see block all cookies, so you can toggle it on to block all the cookies, and if you want to disable it, just tap on it and toggle it off. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for